Na kailangan natin para maka-cash out dito and ang kailangan nating points is 100k points or equals to 10. Siyempre yung palitan depende minsan tumataas, minsan bumababa at saka meron tayong tinatawag na transaction fee. So points po ang kailangan natin ha and dapat tayo po ay face authenticated para tayo ay makapag-withdraw. Ang coins naman po kasi ginagamit po yan as a virtual currency inside the application. Kumbaga, pang games, pambili ng mga privileges, pang gift, ganun. Ganun po yung purpose ng coins. Kumbaga, hindi siya nakaka-cash out. But some other users are using it for trading. Which is sa Comi Coins, Comi Points, magpapalitan tayo ng gift para nang sa ganon yung coins ko maging points. So yung iba, it's one of their way to earn on Popolive. So marami namang ways to earn points guys. And please make sure na always malakas ang internet connection ninyo and always follow the policy rules sa pagla-live ha. Dapat maayos. Kasi kung hindi, baka magka-violation kayo or deduction, ganun. So, nung nakaraang pantanong to, ngayon ko lang siya nasagot. Kasi nga, sabi ko sa inyo, may pagka-busy ang person. So, hindi ko napapansin minsan yung mga ibang comments. So, I have some tutorials on my social media accounts. You can search Tita Laika. You can follow me on Papa Live. My user ID 79170. I'm doing live every 9 p.m. So, if you have any questions, you can comment down below and try nating sagutin isa-isa. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share para mas maraming makaalam.